on this slide, you are going to watch this video about one amazing relationship between a man and a penguin, and then you are going to read this one slide passage. Notice that again we have our bolded keywords that are also underlined, which means they're important. On this slide, we are going to play a game. Let's first read our keywords. Huddle, to come together. Immediately, right away. Predators, animals that kill and eat other animals. Rare, very uncommon. We know that that prefix un means not, so not common. Reunite, another prefix. That prefix re means again, so to unite again or to come back together. So our game is a matching game. So you're going to uncover these different cards here. So you're trying to match the sentences. So let's try one together. So you would click it. When you see this blue box, that means that it is selected. So you click your backspace button to take it away. And it says penguins are one of the rare birds who. So you're trying to finish that sentence. So I'm going to guess this one. I take it away. Nope, that does not go together. I can tell because both of these are the beginning of a sentence. I'm looking for the end of the sentence. I wouldn't say penguins are one of the rare birds who penguins huddle to stay warm, and that doesn't make a complete sentence. Doesn't make sense. So to put them back, you're going to click your back arrow right here twice. So if you click it once, then it'll put that one back, and then you click it twice, put the other one back. Let's see, if I click here, I have once a year and can't swim until they grow back. So notice my 3 dots are at the beginning of the sentence. This lets me know this is the second half of that sentence. I am now looking for the beginning of my sentence. I'll guess here. So I will read the first part and then the second part to see if that sentence makes sense. Penguins lose all their feathers once. Just pretend like there's only one once there. Once a year and can't swim until they grow back. So penguins lose all their feathers once a year, can't swim until they grow back. That makes sense. That makes a complete sentence. So I have a match. So again, you're trying to match the first half of the sentence to the second half of the sentence. If you mess up or if you get it wrong, you cover it back up by hitting this back arrow key.